What's up, my Wilson family? How y'all doing? Probably thinking what we're doing driving, but we're on our way right now to Stuart Career Center in Baytown, Texas. They called me and they called Gerb and they want us to go over there and talk to the students, give a little bit of motivation to them. Supposedly a lot of those students look up to me, and so it's a big privilege to go over there and talk to them and give demos and everything like that. So I'm pretty excited. So that's what I'm about to do right now. We're on our way over there. And if y'all want me to go to y'all local high school, you know, comment down below. Let me know, FFA or whatever the case may be. Just let me know and we'll see what we can do.
I know you guys have been asking for him, okay? You guys, my 7th and 8th, okay? Remember we were talking the week before spring break, okay? We were looking at the Weld 2 videos. And the reason that he has a lot of views and he's got success in a YouTube channel is because everything that he do is on point. Okay, so I really recommend that channel for you guys. All right, they just opened up a new school. Okay, 2410 Broad, I believe, and you ask questions, guys.
All hard work pays off. Let me tell you that right now, guys. You know, y'all blessed, y'all young. I'm still young. I'm 24 years old. You know, I'm still growing as a welder every single day. And I'm not perfect by no means, but I do know my stuff. I do know my stuff here and there. I have a buddy, thanks to Eric Garcia, he's gonna watch this right now. He's still my best friend today, and he's the one who changed my life and involved me to this industry, okay? His dad's a pipeline welder, you know, he's a welder, and he was my age too. He said, hey man, you don't know what to do with your life, try welding, you know? I was like, what's that? So I went to his house. He showed me a little bit here and there. This is what it is. Right after high school, if you ever want to come back, do some specialties, some stainless, ink and nail pipeline, expand your boundaries in the welding industry, come by South Coast. I'll be in good hands with you, I promise. Okay, I'm a very hands-on person. Very hands-on. I'll be in that booth 100% of the way, and I will weld the whole thing out if you want me to. You know, I don't just weld like a little inch and then walk away and go into another booth. I don't do that. What I do is I weld the whole thing out. Y'all can see step by step how an experienced welder welds things, you know. A lot of other people like to just weld just an inch, just here, oh, this is how you do it, and leaves. That's not how they're gonna learn. How they're gonna learn is by watching you do the whole entire thing. Or mostly the whole entire thing, you know, because they have to weld too. Overhead? Yeah. Did it help you out? Yeah. Good, I'm glad it helped you out, man. I'm glad it helped you out. Any questions on that? On the overhead? Gotcha.
You basically
I answered all your questions? Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions you got? At the end of the day, guys, if y'all don't have questions now, y'all can ask me out there as well when I'm going to do the demo for y'all and show y'all, okay? So, like I said, don't be shy to ask me any questions at all. That's why I'm here, guys. I'm here to answer those questions and help y'all out as much as I can, okay, when I'm here. I made YouTube, bro. I didn't think it was going to be like I am now sitting with y'all talking. I did not at all. Not 100%. So, how you want to make your own YouTube too? Go for it, brother. It's all about who you know and the content that you have. All about warming it up when you're there on that spot. Especially on your time. You gotta warm it up real good and want to get a good time. If not, you're not gonna time at all. So if you stop right on your time, just stop right there. It's no good. This, you know, but of course not here. You know, like this too. There's different ways of doing things, guys. There's not just one way of doing something. There's different ways. When you're in the field, there's going to be different ways people are going to show you, but they all come the same thing. Same weld, same everything. All right. So everybody's different, but there's different techniques, and you can learn out of all of them.
You got comfortable doing it like
I'm comfortable doing it like this, because I've done it so many times.
First of all, I want to say thank you to Amar, to Weld 2 to coming out here, you know, and being a part of this. The thing is that these guys, they need something that it's more relatable to them than us talking to them about welding, and that way they can see somebody else coming in here and talking about welding and industry and real life experiences, you know. So again, thank you again for Amar, Weld 2, South Coast Welding Academy. Thank you, Alan, for sending Amar over here and showing them the demos. that they did. We're over here at Stuart Career Center here in Baytown, Texas. Stuart Career Tech High School. This is the welding program. My name is John Membreno. I'm the welding instructor. My teaching partner is Abel Adame. But thank you again, guys, for coming out here and showing them some demos and showing them how it's supposed to be done. You know, how it's supposed to be done. Subscribe to Weld Tube!
What they said.